In the Tigray region of Ethiopia, 2 years of civil war has cost 1 million people their lives. That's the equivalent of half of Northern Ireland's population. Today, another 1 million people are still displaced in camps like this one. I spoke to one mother who was forced to flee her home with her young family just days after giving birth.
ካልቸራል ታይ ዝበሃል መደብ ይበሃል እዚ ሰሪሕና ኣብዚ ኢና ሆፍነ እዚኣ መሳርሒትና መደቀስትና ኣብዚ እያ ኒያ
Actually, she said that I don't have chairs even to sit. I have made a chair to sit with a local with a mat, so that my children are sit here, and all of the servants are sleeping here. I think one mattress is outside because the children are urinated and have to be dried outside. Here are the sleeping, here are working their foods. So as you can see, we are living in a very desperate situation. So try to see our problem and try to know others what we are living.
ሃዋህው ምቹ ከይኮነ ኣነ ንክምለስ ፈቃደኛ
Yeah, I think at this time I cannot return back home because I feel insecure. The area is occupied by these informal armed groups, the militias, also the fanos. So I know what they are doing before. They make rape for the women's, and also they are killed for any person who is from this ethnic from the Tigrayans. So having such kind of condition, I don't want to go there without any guarantee. I prefer to die here rather than to go there if it's insecure area. Even here in the IDP also, I don't feel safe because as a single mom, there are women, there are moms around here. So I am afraid also I have to be a victim of this gender-based violence. So what she repeatedly say is that after 5 years, I am eagerly waiting the one day that I return back home so that I feel safe.